So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Sorry, it's really bright. So it's actually a couple months later after the last video. So a lot of things have changed. I moved, so it's Bronco truck, not in Ridgeway anymore. I'm in Lynchburg now. So we're gonna be doing today, probably ain't gonna be a long video, but I want to replace these freaking battery cables. That one looks alright. I got two, but I know I'm gonna replace this one because that looks horrible. And then let's see, we had this little contraption with gas. So my buddy let me a boat tank, which is this thing right here. So I'm gonna hook that gas line up to that, jump the Bronco off, and see if it will run for a little bit because it hasn't been started and I don't know how long. So that is definitely what we're planning on doing today. 100% what we're planning on doing today, as long as I don't get stung or bit by spiders. So let me go get the tools because I just need a cutter. I got electrical tape and all that. So let me go get that and then we will get started. All right, let's get some stuff out. All right, so I just went and I have no complaints with Walmart stuff. So we got Walmart electrical tape and top post battery terminal. So I'm hoping I can get that one to work, which I should be able to because it's got the clamp on the side. So we're gonna try it anyways. I mean, you know, what's the worst that could happen, you know? So I gotta take this one off first. And if this does not work, then I will just go get a new one. I'll just go get a whole new cable. I just really wanted to replace that one because that one looked horrible. Now, what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wrap it in electrical tape. I do a lot of budget fixing, but if you watch the channel for a while, you already know this. Oh, wait. There'd be a lot of budget fixing around here. So, like I said, I know there's 1,001 easier ways to do this, but it's the fun in that. But I still got to get the tank for the Bronco. Haven't really had time and all that to go get the tank for the Bronco, but I still need the tank. So we're gonna hook this back up. I think this was this size. Alright, we got this one. And definitely not this one. me what you guys, like I said, I'll eventually redo the whole wiring on this. I just, you know, your boy don't have no sponsors to help. Yeah, I don't get sponsored, so, which is why this build is kind of taking as long as it has. That's good. So now, here comes the old gas tank trick. So I now have black truck running. Hopefully it gives it enough juice to jump this thing off. I do not know. Ooh, easy. Alright, so the radio is working. Lights are on. God damn. Okay. So we got to I guess let it charge for a second. Let's roll. Crack that window. It's hot as fuck in there. So, I mean, you heard it. It clicked. So, I guess it's... Actually, hold on. I see the problem. 2.5. All right, had to tighten up. Positive battery cable terminal. I don't know if it's gonna work. I really don't. I think it's just really, really dead. Cause this is clicking. Like the starter solenoid is clicking, I hear it. But it's just not turning over. So I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit, and then I guess I'll come back and see where we're at. That's the only thing I know to do. I'm not gonna do this for long because, well, just the black truck idles really, really richly, so it burns a lot of gas. So we're gonna let it charge for a minute and see what the fuck happens. All right, let's do it. One more college go. And I think that's gonna be it. And then we're just gonna have to end the video, and I really didn't. Yeah. I think the battery is just too far gone. And jumping it off ain't even gonna do anything. Like, I really just think it's too far gone. Let's see if it'll do it again, because the fashion seatbelt light came on and then it turned right back off. Like, I have no lights, no interior lights. I mean, it's getting better. I just don't want to keep trying it and then possibly fuck something up. So I guess we'll let it charge for a little bit longer, and then we'll just kind of see what happens at this point. Like I said, one more college try, and then I'm gonna try it one more time. So I'm gonna try it one more time after this. This is gonna be the last time, and then that's it. All right, so here we go, last time. Uh-oh. I don't know. I think we're gonna just call it. So, oh shit, that's not good. Don't quite know what that was. Yeah, we're gonna. All these are hot. Those are hot. Yeah. Don't quite know what that was. Did not make me feel good though. The motor was trying to turn. Jumper cables are hot. Oh, hey, there's a bee. Jumper cables are hot, like they're smoking hot. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna have to get a new, I'm just gonna get a new battery and get a new battery and see what happens. So I hate it for this to be the end of the video, but this is the end of the video. So hopefully next time we'll be able to hear it run. So catch y'all next time. Peace.
And I am here to stay right now, so don't call it a comeback.